uburyo bwinshi abantu bayikoresha hari iyo bita Bitcoin.
It has many ways in which people apply it. One is called Bitcoin.
Kuki bayita cryptocurrency?
Why is it called cryptocurrency?
Nukuvuga ngo na mafaranga ubu abantu barimo bakora.
It's a currency that is now getting used.
Itari controle na banke nationale nka BNR.
Not controlled by central banks like BNR here.
Iri controle kuri computer.
But controlled on the computer.
Uwayishinze ni Umuyapani.
The inventor of cryptocurrency is a Japanese.
Ariko kugeza uyu munsi ntaraboneka.
But is not known to this day.
Abana bo muri University ya Stanford.
Students at Stanford University.
Abo nibo bayikozeho.
They are the ones who invented it.
Nukuvuga ngo
it means
ni biceri.
This is like coins.
Abantu bagura agaciro kabyo.
Which people give value to it and people buy those coins.
Tuvuge bakavuga ngo iyi telefone.
For example, they will say this telephone.
Nuyigura.
If you buy it.
Nawe.
And you.
Icyo bita coin.
That coin.
Kiraba gifite valeur y'amadolari 100.
Will have a value of $100.
Undi yagura na $100.
Yes, nizera ko mumeze neza aho dukurikira cyangwa se ubana natwe hano ku Ihumure TV nkuko mubimenyereye mubana nanjye Valere. Uyu munsi rero ndagira ngo tuganire kuri iki kintu. Numvishe amagambo ya Apostle Gitwaza cyangwa se umushumba mukuru wa Zion Temple. Nkimara kuyumva nahise ngira gute, nahise nteraho nahise mbona ko bya bintu koko ari byo. Namwe muraza kumbwira uko mubyumva bitewe n'aya majwi, namwe muyumve muraza kumbwira uko mubyumva. Narababwiye nti mu kiganiro cy'ubushize nakoze ati isi n'ibihe bizagenda bihinduka bitewe n'igihe tugezemo. Hari ibintu byinshi cyane bizahindura imico n'imyifatire, ntekereza ko n'uburyo bw'imibereho buzahinduka. Narabibabwiye, ariko mbabwira n'uburyo impinduka yagiye igaragara mu bihe byabanje ndetse nanahere no mu myaka ya kera mbere yuko wenda twe tuvuka. Kuba sokuruza bacu uburyo babayeho, bagiye bahanahana amafaranga, bagiye bahanahana ibiribwa, ugashaka ibijumba bakaguha ibirayi, byose nyenda mbibabwira. Noneho n'uburyo igihe cyaje gukurikira amafaranga akaza kuzana yagakora akazi agahanahanwa mu kugura ikintu ariko bishingiye ku cyizere. Noneho mbabwira uburyo haje amakadi, uburyo umuntu ashobora kwishyura akoresheje ikarita, hakaza n'uburyo bwo kwishyura ukoresheje mobile money, bishingiye byose mu mwuka. Ariko icyizere kikaba aricyo cya mbere gitsinda byose. Mbabwira yuko ubu buzima bwacu bwose tububayeho kubera icyizere. Noneho mbabwira yuko hari n'ibindi bihe bidasanzwe bigiye kugira gute, bigiye kuza bizagira gute, bizatuma tubaho mu bundi buryo tutagize gute twamenyereye. Noneho hakaza amafaranga ari digital. Noneho havuyeho bwa buryo bwo guhana amafaranga, havuyeho bwa buryo bwa mobile money, havuyeho bwa buryo bwaki, hagiye kuza noneho amafaranga ari digital, ari byo bita cryptocurrency. Byose twagiye tubivugaho, mbibabwira muri ubwo buryo. Ariko noneho ntuzanyamukuru ikintu cyanshimishije cyangwa se cyatumye nongera kubitekerezaho, numvishe ijambo rya Apostle Gitwaza n'abagira gute abivugaho, amera nk'uri kugira gute ari guteraho kandi Apostle Gitwaza ni umushumba, ni umukozi w'Imana umaze kumenyerwa cyane. Rero ibi byose bigaragaza yuko tugomba kwakira tugomba kwakira ibihe tugezemo, ibihe turimo, tukabifiringa, tukabyemera. Ntabyo kuvuga ngo igihe kiratujyanye, tugiye kugera mu bihe bibi, tugeze mu mperuka. Kandi nababwiye ko isi uko igenda ihinduka bizitwa iterambere, nibyo koko, ariko haze ibintu byinshi bizaba amayobera ku buzima bwacu. Ubu tuvugana hari za AI, artificial intelligence, ubwo ni ukuvuga ngo hari n'ibindi byinshi bizagenda biza ariko bikaducanga mu by'ukuri, tugakomeza kubyitirira yuko ari ari ibihe bya nyuma twamaze kugeramo already. Ndagira ngo rero tuzi gukurikira iri jambo rya Apostle Gitwaza. Muraza kugira gute, muraza kumbwira namwe uko mubyumva cyangwa se uko mubibona.
Uburyo bwinshi abantu bayikoresha hari iyo bita Bitcoin.
It has many ways in which people apply it. One is called Bitcoin.
Kuki bayita cryptocurrency?
Why is it called cryptocurrency?
Nukuvuga ngo na mafaranga ubu abantu barimo bakora.
It's a currency that is now getting used.
Itari controle na banke nationale nka BNR.
Not controlled by central banks like BNR
iri
here,
kontrole kuri computer.
but controlled on the computer.
Uwayishinze ni umuyapani,
The inventor of cryptocurrency is a Japanese,
ariko kugeza uyu munsi ntaraboneka.
but is not known to this day.
Abana bo muri University ya Stanford,
Students at Stanford University,
abo nibo bayikozeho.
they are the ones who invented it.
Ni ukuvuga ngo
It means
ni ibiceri
this is like coins,
abantu bagura agaciro kabyo.
which people give value to it, and people buy those coins.
Tuvuge bakavuga ngo iyi telefone
For example, they will say this telephone,
nuyigura,
if you buy it,
nawe
and you,
icyo bita coin
that coin
kiraba gifite valere y'amadolari 100.
will have a value of $100.
Undi yagura na ijana. Ejo abantu bagura ari benshi bikava ku ijana bikaja ku gihumbi.
When more people buy it, it changes in value from $100 to $1,000.
Baguha mot de passe, code yawe.
They will give you your personal code.
Wewe ugenda uyigura kandi uyigurisha ukunguka. Hari bamwe bamaze kuba miliyoneri.
For you, you buy it and sell it and you make money. Some people have already made millions out of it.
Ushobora kuikonvertisa rero mu mafaranga lokale y'igihugu.
Now you can convert that coin into the currency of that of a certain country, either in dollars.
Ushatse kugura inzu,
If you want to buy a
ushatse
house,
gutumiza ikintu mu Bushinwa,
if you want to order for some things in China,
ukoresheje ya currency yitwa
you can
crypto.
convert that Bitcoin or that cryptocurrency into the currency of that
Hari
nation.
icyo bita rero ngo ni blockchain.
Now there's what they call blockchain.
Nukuvuga ngo baraguha code,
They will give you a code.
niyo yonyine iyo uyirebye iyo code
When you get that code,
umenya agaciro k'amafaranga yawe.
you alone will know the value of your currency.
Abandi barayamenya ariko nako abandi ntibashobora kwinjira muri konte yawe.
Others cannot access your account.
Ariko ngubu mfite konte muri Beka.
But for example, I have a bank account in Bank of Kigali.
Umuntu wese ukora muri Beka ashobora kwinjiramo akabona amafaranga Gitwaza afite kuri.
Anyone who works in Bank of Kigali can open my account and see how much I have there.
Ariko cryptocurrency
But with cryptocurrency,
irafunze.
it is encrypted.
Nta mu informaticien numwe wakwinjira muri computer yawe ngo amenye amafaranga ufite.
No computer engineer can access your account and know how much you have on your account.
Bigenda gute?
So what happens?
Kugira ngo ngiri iyi code n'aba informaticien batazi.
How does it happen that I can have such a code that even the computer engineers will not know? Those who want
Dore security yabyiri.
This is what the security is.
Bagira icyo bita blockchain.
They use what they call blockchain.
Bafata amakompiyuta nk'ijana
They will take 100 computers
bakayakinisha
and use them,
bagakuramo umubare
and they use random selection and they pick a code,
akaba ari ubu wawe.
and that code becomes your password or your
Ntabwo biri muri
code.
computer imwe.
It is not just in one
Ni
computer.
amakompiyuta menshi,
It is several computers,
agatogo kayo
and then they mix up the numbers
bikavamo code yawe.
and they select a random code to become your own code.
N'aba informaticien bari ku makompiyuta yabo
Even the computer engineers using that computer,
ntibamenya
the
amakode
computers,
ari mu makompiyuta yose yahuye hamwe agakuramo ikintu.
they cannot know all the codes that have been selected randomly by the computer.
Niyo mpamvu ari blockchains na mashene.
That's why it's
Ari
called
blockchain.
blockchains.
Uvuga ngo uwo mubare wutakaje
So when you lose that code,
ntiwabwira umuntu ngo ndebere,
you cannot ask someone to give you a new password.
ntazawumenya.
They will not know
Ni
it.
wewe gusa nyirawo.
It is only you, the owner.
Aho niho hari security yayo.
That's how secure cryptocurrency
Donc
is.
bafata imibare myinshi bakayishyira muri logarithme.
They use algorithm to produce codes or numbers, random numbers,
Miliyoni y'imibare
millions and millions of
bakayacucuma
numbers, and they select randomly
akavamo ikintu.
to get a code for
Niyo
you,
code yawe.
which becomes your code.
Iyo ugize nka miliyoni 100,
So when you have like $100 million,
equivalent y'amamiliyoni
or
100,
the equivalent of $100 million,
ugatakaza iyo code,
and you lose that code,
uba utakaje amafaranga.
you have lost your money.
Bayita ngo ni monnaie volatile, ngo ni amafaranga aguruka.
They call it monetary currency.
Kubera iki?
Why?
Ushobora kuyahomba uwo mwanya.
Because you can lose it immediately, in a moment.
Ikindi nanone
Another thing,
yagaragaye ko ari strong akomeye kuruta amabanke traditionnel.
It has been proved that it is stronger than traditional banking.
ariko abantu benshi barayarwanya kuko utabikontorora, ukirira mu cyumba cyawe gusa uko kujwa kuri internet ukaba mu miliyoneri. I Rwanda ntibabimenye kuri we, Ubugande ntibamenye, ni wewe na computer yawe ugakomanda ikintu buyapani ukubaka inzu South Africa, abantu ntibamenya aho amafaranga wayakuye. Ariko kuri hari uburyo nabo baregulatinga kugira ngo udakoresha amafaranga ya mafia, barabikora ibyo, ariko iyo ni systeme ikigoye, ariko shobora kubiri efficace anyway. Ntabwo ndi umu economist petit.
Many people are fighting cryptocurrency because they are not comfortable with something they cannot control. But the system itself has the way of regulating and making sure you are not using fraud means to get money. But it might be more effective, but I'm not an economist here.
Iri ni ibanga entre nous.
This is a secret between us.
Turashaka gukora authentique, ariko ndimukavuge. Nimuzagiriwe mubwira.
Don't tell anyone about this.
Tuzakora authentique. That's how we are going to do authentic banking. Ntimugire abo muyobwira.
Please don't tell anyone.
Namwe mukurikira kuri televiziyo mu biceceke.
And those of you watching by TV, keep it quiet.
Anyway, en fait niyo trend, niyo isirimigana.
That's the trend where the world is headed now.
Nk'ubwongereza irakomeye cyane.
Like in the UK, it's working.
South Africa amaduka menshi usigaye ujya kugura ufite Bitcoin.
Most shops in South Africa you can shop using Bitcoin.
Hari abandi muri mwe babindusha kubimenya.
There are others who are more familiar than
myself.
Just wanted to
Ari naho
answer.
bihuriye na Bibiliya.
And it has nothing to do with the Bible.